Hey guys, two Mexicans, one camera here, and today we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge.
So what the woodwork challenge is, you have to hit the crossbar, the left post, and the right post.
And yeah, the top post. So let's get right into it. Alright, so woodwork, I'm going to try to hit the crossbar. So let's get the first bar down. Oh, that was terrible.
Okay, so I'm gonna go the same as him. Hit the crossbar.
Ooh. What do you want to... Alright, so if we see E-Man hit in between and he wanted to count it as a right bar, which is a smart decision because that's really hard to hit. So I'm going to go for the crossbar.
Okay, so I'm gonna go for the crossbar. I already got one done, and he also does.
What? No. As you see, E-Man is in the lead with 2 bars. So I'm going to go for the left bar.
I'm just gonna go for the crossbar. It's just a classic crossbar challenge.
Ooh. Alright, so I was about to lose there, but I'm going to go for left bar. Nope.
Okay, I do have to go for the crossbar.
Ooh, that skimmed the right. Well, I'm going to go for the right bar.
Okay. Okay, crossbar.
Ooh. Alright, I'm gonna go for the left bar. Ooh, let's get it. Go.
Okay, so.
Dang, you're so close. So, I just need the right bar left to win, and he needs the crossbar, which is easy to hit. So, let's get it done over.
Okay, well, let me just go for the crossbar.
Oh. Alright, let's get this done and over with. So, right bar, here it is. Oh, does that count?
I don't know, does it? Win. But you know, he didn't hit it, so I'm just gonna go for the crossbar.
Oh, no!
So let's.
Alright, so if I miss this, I completely lose.
Completely.
Yeah, and so I need to hit this right bar, and if I don't, then E-Man wins the challenge. So let's get it. Oh no! So, E-Man has won the challenge. Good job. I think, is that the first time? Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it our first video?
Oh yeah, well this is, yeah, the soccer video. First soccer, well second, because we did a Disney one.
But
He won that one.
No, I didn't.
No. You won this one.
Yeah, I won this one.
I don't know, I think Angel won last time.
He's
But,
gone.
yeah, he's left.
You guys can check that video
Yeah, that we
out.
made a video. So, yeah, there's the woodwork. Good job to you, man. So
like and subscribe. If you guys like these videos, comment down below telling us to do more and what we should do with soccer. So like, subscribe, and peace.